Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from UltraFire. Now this here is their T5. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light from there. Comes in this case here, this is ABS plastic. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Not too sure, this might be a holster here. Yep. Straight in and out on this. Pretty simple. Got the quick release here. You can easily and quickly release it and be able to put it on your belt, or you can feed it through. It's really up to you. ABS plastic. Very simple design on that. There's a warranty card. Nice little case here. Paracord is pretty basic. It's got some foam in here. I don't know if I would store this particular light, and it's kind of on the small side, but another big light, or I usually store batteries in these. So here's the T5. There's really nothing more on that. So let's go ahead and get this open here. Now I have not charged this yet, so hopefully it's got enough charge on it to go through the light levels, and I'll charge it before I go out there and do a night shot. But here's the box that it comes in. And it says 1800 lumens. Definitely geared more towards tactical. Let's go ahead and get this open now. Now it's been a long time since I've done a UltraFire review. Here's the user manual. Front and back multi-language. So let me find the light chart here. I think I found it. A little on the small side, but I'll do the best I can. As you can see there, 1800 lumens is the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. One lanyard. One USB Type-C charging cable. It's on the short side. One O-ring. You've already got O-rings on there, so this is an extra. Now this is a warning. Let you know there is a protection piece on the battery to remove it. And there it is. Definitely geared for tactical. It's got a tail clicky on there as well. Tactical, or you can carry it every day. Does have a clip on here. Now if you don't want it on here, you can easily remove it. I usually like to center it on the charging port there. Here's the charging port there, Type-C. Now it does have kind of a flat finish to it. Switch does stick out past the body there a little bit. It's got some heat sinking here on the side of the head, but it's not much. I like the body here. It does have some grippy area here. Kind of twists with the body, but it's grippable. Tail clicky. Not too bad. Takes an 18650, so that's nice. Small enough. Style design on this is nice. No issues. Rubber's thick here on the switches. It's got some little knobbies here on them. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Luminus SST40 LED. And the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that's included. Now the nice thing about these type of lights is that you can use other 18650s as well. Spring there. Pretty heavy duty on that. And the battery that it comes with here is an 18650, and looks like there's a protection piece down on the other spring. Well, let me go ahead and remove that. Normally they have it on the negative end, but this one they do not. So you want to remove this. It looks like a straight contact plate there. So it looks like you can only run button tops on this. Straight contact plate there on the head. Put this back together. There's a little bit of grease on the O-ring only, not too much on the threads. And this here, same way. Take a look here at the battery that it comes with. This is an UltraFire. This is a protected cell. Protections here at the end. This is a 2600 milliamp. Now you'll see way back in the day there was a lot of clones out there that were copying them, and I remember a lot of people back in the forums, they were a real pain because people would buy these on eBay or some other sites and they wouldn't really be from them at all. So be careful of that. UltraFire is one of the probably most copied and cloned name out there. So we're going to go ahead and get this all back together. Now I have not charged this yet, so hopefully it'll have enough to get us going. This is a protection piece. You want to save these if you want to store the light. Now let's go ahead and go through the UI. Turning on the light. Battery level there looks good. Yep. Nice combination beam on there. My all-time favorite. So we're going to go through the light outputs here by clicking on the side switch here. We're just going to go through those. Pretty straightforward. I'm wondering if you press and hold. Yep. Strobe. That is a variable speed on that flash. So you can see it's kind of changing a little bit there. And it does have memory mode, so it'll go right back to the last light output that you had it on. 1800 lumens is a lot of light. That's going to be plenty for most applications. Got a good beam on there too. See how it's narrow when you look up top. A lot of bleeding, about probably that wide from the main one, but that's super focused. But still area just tapers off. It's got a little bit of a cut off around the very edge, but it's not real sharp. So if you do want to set it, you can do so. So now we're going to set it up, say like if you're law enforcement, we're going to put it on the highest level. Say like you don't want to put it on the highest level. I'll put it right there. And every time you turn on the light, you want it to come on, and that's, you can pressure switch that as well. Great for tactical. And once you do need it on, full press it. Real simple. Same goes for if you want to use the highest level. You can do so. Security, great for that as well. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple and easy to operate this. Not too terribly warm on there. I'm going to top off the battery and make sure you get the best runtime on this as well as light output. But feels pretty rugged. Not seeing any issues here. So let's wait no further. Let's take this UltraFire out. See how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the UltraFire flashlight. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout. It is on. Got 38 feet there. I'll show you here on the fence and give you an idea. Up close and personal, doing good. There's the beam range here at this light level. Not bad. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice little jump. It's got a large hot spot there. More of a combination beam. 65 feet here. Water spout 38 feet. Now if you have any doubts or questions about my testing area here, you can check it out. I have all the link, or I have a link showing all the distances. And it is faintly making the tree of life there. Let's go to the next level. See it even better there. It's lost all its leaves. Winter is here. And it's about upper 20s. A little nippy. Good for flashlights though. Better than rain. Been hitting us pretty hard here. Fence line, tree line. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice. See clear across the playgrounds, across the park that is. Look at that. Impressive. Got a little bit of mist rolling in the distance there. Making that tree of life now. I can see the skeleton. No more leaves. Man. Impressive light output for this light. Go back up to the highest here. Man. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on here, so no issues with that whatsoever. This here is definitely more budget friendly in my opinion, but if you're needing something that's nice quality, this UltraFire T5 should just be perfect, especially if you're wanting to carry it every day, walking a dog, you can do so. Also, if you're law enforcement, security, you can use this as well tactically. You're ready to go, spur of the moment. The thing has plenty of brightness. 1800 lumens is a lot. The Luminus SST40 has a nice worldwide following and a great reputation, so no issues with that. The battery that it comes with should be just fine for most applications, but don't be worried. You can easily use any button top cell in this light, and they do make larger milliamps, so you'll be able to get a little bit better runtime, but you've got that option that you can use other batteries in here, easily swap it out. Now let's show you the holster. It's got a little groove here for the clip. Let's go down in here. Once you do, it spreads apart a little bit there, snugly holding that light. It's not going to go anywhere. And if you need it again, pull it out. As you use it more and more, it'll become more easier to come in and out. Now, because this here, the button, don't worry about it because it's got to be activated with the tail clicky. So good basic quality holster, nothing too complicated, and looks pretty rugged as well. Okay, well, I want to thank UltraFire for sending me this T5 flashlight kit to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, or getting it as a gift for someone else, I will leave a link down below this video. I am working on a special discount code. Once I do get that, it'll be there next to it, and that should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these UltraFire lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.